Here's how you can earn $27 over and over passive income. You can take one digital product and turn it into passive income. What does that mean? That means you create one thing and you sell it over and over and over. It's powerful. You can have this digital product and your store open for business in less than 24 hours just by following the steps that I have for you in this PDF plan. It's stellar. Once you do that in less than 24 hours, that leaves you to what? Marketing. Don't worry about it. What I have in here for you, 30 days, what to say, where to say it, down to the music that you'll use. I don't want to use words that are desensitized to, I guess. I don't want to say business in a box. That's what it is. I don't want to say step-by-step instructions that are precise, but that's what you get. That's what you get. So what's left for you to do is get $27. Here's another thing. This has resale rights and transfer rights. There's a lot of master resale rights out there. There's a lot of transfer rights out there. I will tell you this, you don't have to borrow any money. You don't need Klarna, ZipPay, or Afterpay. You just need $27. If you just don't have that like right now, this is an amount that you can ask your mom, your dad, your husband, your wife, your cousin, your colleague. Hey, you got $27 until I get paid Friday. This amount is a lot easier to ask for if you need to borrow it than asking for $1,000 to start. There's not a lot of videos that you have to watch. There's no email marketing. There's nothing wrong with email marketing. There's nothing wrong with watching a bunch of videos. What I'm telling you is you get this, you download it, you follow the steps, you have yourself a digital product in less than 24 hours and a store, and you're open for business, and you have 30 days of content on what to say and where to say it. Boom. I'm stoked. Get this. Click the link in the video description. Have at it. Many blessings.